So, something tells me you folks are new in town.
You could say that.
Oh yeah, that's better.
What you see before you is the Dog Star Patrol. Hot Dog, Bulldog, Tail Terrier, Mammoth Mutt, and me, Brainy Barker, at your service.
Krypto, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Where did you say you were from?
Oh, from many worlds. In this galaxy and beyond. You see, we've banded together to keep the universe safe from
Kittens?
Laugh if you will, but you have no idea who that particular kitten was. Behold one of the most evil felines in the galaxy, Snooky Wookums. Don't let his bright button eyes fool you. Snooky was sneaky from the start. You name it, he's done it. He began by taking squeaky toys from his own brothers, then moved up to stealing milk products from the Milky Way. We tracked him across the universe in hopes of stopping him before he got to planet Earth.
We had him too, till you came along.
Looks like I goofed, huh? I guess the question now is, how do we find him again?
Yeah, sounds like we just did.
Hey, I know where that is. He's at the city animal shelter.
Let's get him!
It's all yours, fellas. She's working on my order. You don't want to eat me. I'm nothing but fur balls and fat. Dead end! Yikes! What kind of breed are you? Pekingese leg popper? Ah! Krypto! Where am I? What are you gonna do with me? Hey, is this? I know you. You're the Dog Star Patrol.
Yep, we're the good guys.
Even though he got away, Snooky is well out of your solar system, and that's good news.
Well, we couldn't have done it without you, Governor, and that's a fact. Yeah.
I'm just glad I could help.
On behalf of all the Dog Stars, I'd like to invite you to become a member of our little group. We'd be honored if you would accept.
The honor's all mine.
Dog piles!
Okay, guys, all right, off. I get the idea. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Dog Star Patrol, beam us home.
Some days it doesn't pay to get out of your cat bed.
You saved my life, Streaky, and I want to thank you.
So do we. You are the only cat to ever become a member of the Dog Star Patrol. Congratulations.
Wow, this is a real honor. But does this mean I might have to help out again sometime?
You are an extremely capable super cat.
Listen, Brainy, you're a smart gal. Did you know that cats don't really have 9 lives?
They'll never escape me this time. I'll tow their puny little ship straight to the sun.
If we can't break out soon, the sun's gravity will pull us right in, eh?
Then I'll really be a hot dog! My ship's strong enough to escape the sun's gravity. but theirs isn't.
We've got to stop that ship.
It's no use. The beam's too powerful.
Even for me.
Hang on there, partners! The cavalry's a-coming!
What kind of spaceship is that?
I brung me a secret weapon that there kitty kids never seen before! I knew that stuff was good for something!
Oh no! The beam has been clogged by some kind of super goo!
All right, dog stars. Let's catch us a cat.
That's right! Uh-huh! You heard me!
Ooh, icky boo-boo!
Come on, guys. Sick 'em.
Here's one for the road!
Look at that cat take off, eh?
Great job, TT!
You really came through, Tail Terrier.
Thanks, everybody. But listen, can I get something to eat? I haven't had a decent meal in days. That sure hit the spot.
So, how long can you stay this time, mate?
Oh, I don't know. How's about forever?
Hey, what? How come? I thought you loved the good life on Earth.
I reckon the good life is chasing bad guys and being with your partners. Even if they do snore a little.
Fine. With the Dog Star ship, an army of catbots, Earth is mine.
What? They can't be working together! Not if your chew toys truly made them cranky! Snooky!
Okay, teamwork, guys.
Ta-ta, mateys!
Hot dog, you know what to do. After you, eh?
The transportation beam controls must be somewhere!
I don't get it.
We'll discuss this back in our ship's dungeon, Snooky. And I won't be the one in chains!
Something tells me our anger was nothing compared to Mechanicat's.
I still don't get how you controlled your temper, hot dog.
The trick is to think about happy things, you know? Like hot dogs?
Then I think this reward will make you very happy indeed.
Here you go, buddy.
Come on, guys! Lunch is on me!
Yeah.